This ingredient is banned in 12 countries. But why is meat glue so controversial? Today we explore transglutaminase, a fascinating food enzyme. It's a powerful tool for chefs and food scientists. This enzyme naturally cross-links protein molecules efficiently. Food innovation often sparks public debate and intrigue. Transglutaminase represents both genius and controversy clearly. Let's uncover its science and applications now. Transglutaminase, or TG, is a natural enzyme. It forms strong bonds between protein amino acids. Japanese scientists discovered TG in 1959. Yasushi Takeda and colleagues led this breakthrough. They first isolated it from guinea pig liver. Now, microbial fermentation produces most commercial TG. This enzyme creates new structures from proteins. It's essential for countless biological processes. TG gained fame as meat glue for a reason. It bonds smaller meat pieces into larger cuts. Imagine perfectly portioned steaks from cheaper scraps. This reduces food waste, enhancing sustainability efforts. Chefs use it for unique textures in seafood. It improves elasticity in pasta and baked goods. TG also thickens dairy products like yogurts. Its versatility boosts culinary creativity immensely. Despite its utility, controversy surrounds transglutaminase. Critics fear food fraud, misleading unwitting consumers. Cheaper meat cuts can appear high quality. Labeling requirements vary across countries greatly. The European Union banned TG on fresh meat. This ban, enacted in 2010, cited health concerns. Restructured meat has more surface area for bacteria. Proper cooking eliminates any bacterial risk, though. TG's potential reaches far beyond meat applications. It improves gluten-free bread texture significantly. Plant-based proteins benefit from TG's binding power. This opens doors for innovative vegan meat alternatives. Researchers explore its use in medical applications. TG can help develop advanced tissue engineering. Its versatility makes it a true food science marvel. It offers exciting solutions for future food needs. Transglutaminase is a powerful, innovative enzyme. It transforms food, offering new culinary possibilities. Balancing innovation with transparency remains key. Food science continues to shape our plates daily. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.